Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Pluto TV channel guide not working, EPG guide troubleshooting. Fix 1. Unplug and restart your device. First of all, unplug the power cable from your TV or the streaming device like Roku, Fire Stick, etc. Leave the device unplugged for 60 seconds and plug the power cable back into the outlet, turn on the device and open the Bluetooth TV. Fix 2. Clear the Pluto TV app cache. For Fire Stick TV or Fire TV, press the home button and navigate to setting gear icon, select application and choose manage installed application. Scroll down and click on the Bluetooth TV and select clear cache and clear data. On Android TV and Google TV, open your TV setting, select app, then click on See All Apps, choose Pluto TV from the list and select Clear Cache, then Clear Data. For Roku, Samsung or LG TVs, no standard Clear Cache button for an individual app on this device. To clear the cache, you must uninstall the app and restart your TV. After uninstalling the app, reinstall the app to complete the cache clearing process. Fix 3. Completely reinstall the app. Navigate to the home screen and locate the Pluto TV icon. Press the option or menu button on your remote. Select uninstall or delete. Restart your TV or a streaming stick before reinstalling. Access the App Store on your device. Search for Pluto TV and select download or install. Fix 4. Power cycle your Wi-Fi router. Unplug the internet router and modem from the wall outlet and wait for 60 seconds and plug the router back in. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes for internet to fully restore. Open the Bluetooth TV and check the guide. Thanks for watching.